In this video, we will show you how to make this slide in PowerPoint. Go to Insert, click on Picture, select it and insert it. Zoom out the slide. Go to Insert, click on Text box. Write Mountain here. Select, change the font color, change the font, make it bold, increase the size, go to character spacing, select very loose, center your content, go to format, align center, go to text effect, select outer shadow and select bevel also. Shift text box to the downside, go to insert, click on picture, select background remove mountain and insert it. Duplicate the slide, select text box, shift to upward and go to transition, select Morph. Increase duration size and click on slideshow. So see friends, our slides look beautiful. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. See you in the next video. Thank you.